Magre-react na pala tayo sa bagong music video ng SB19. So, sa mga hindi nakakalam dyan, isa tayong 18 since way back 2015, parang 2015, way back 2018, yes, 18 na tayo, no, 2018 pala, before mag-pandemic. So, nagre-react naman ako sa mga music video nila, pero ngayon ako magre-react na may video, kasi gusto kong makita yung reaction ko sa bagong music video. So, 16 hours ago pa lang yung music video nila. So, samahan niyo ako, guys, para tignan ang kanilang music video. So, let's go. Wait, introduction pa lang, nakakagulat na ako. Wait lang, kalma. So, yung bagong music video pala nila na ang title is Emoji, with a collaboration with Jomin. So, hindi ko pa naman siya napapanood, and well, hindi pa ako familiar about sa kanya. So, comment down na lang kung gusto nyo tignan ko yung mga music video ko. So, yan. Isa na natin.
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Got the neon skin, I'm glowing, keep it cute, keep it exciting. Read the cover for a messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced, and I won't say much.
Yung mukha dito ni Stel, yung parang sa sa One Piece, yung may bakal dito, sino yun? I-comment nyo nga kung sino yun. Parang yun yung aura niya. And ang sobrang guwapo. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, yung number 1 bias ko is Stel. Yes, Team Stel po ako. Pero syempre lahat naman sila gusto ko. Pero alam nyo na, makikidagdag ako sa mga bias dyan ng Team Stel. Okay, let's continue.
Just kiss the face to the thumbs up, send hearts like this in a top, swipe, swipe, pause, slash post, then outlaw, trending fingers crossed.
Wait lang, si Ken ba yun? Hindi ko siya namukhaan, promise. Akala ko si Josh. Wait lang, ibabak lang po natin. Kasi yung boses ko. Wait lang,
And I won't say much, just kiss the face to the thumbs up, send hearts like this in a top, swipe, swipe, pause, slash post, then outlaw, trending fingers crossed. I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time, tago-taguan ng feelings in my whole side. Emoji, what's a meaning? Go read between the lines. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I feel this wonderful. Don't really care.
Josh, Justin, with her lower voice, tapos yung mukha, ang gwapo. Hindi na talaga ako makahinga tuwing nakakapanood ng music video mo. Gosh, wait lang. Okay. Game.
Beautiful. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I feel this wonderful. Don't really care. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't about what we all do, but hey, I'm talking to you. I'm kinda like the feel, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
Hello, Stel, wag, stop. Huwag kang ganyan. Huwag kang magsanto sa harap ko. Stop it. Wait lang. Game.
I'm faking 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Zooming close to me, what you see. Subtext slow to guess who it could be. Tack yourself, unzip the T. Set the face, yeah, play the role. Digital, good it on topical. Tap, tap, refresh on the reason you scroll. Stay with your chest, don't
Ang galing. Ang galing ng Julina.
No, 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 no.
Julina. Julin kasi.
I'm LL. If you want the real thing, you gotta be bold. If you read my mood, please read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul. Yeah, I'm a filter queen with a private soul.
I wanna be vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. To really get how beautiful. I wanna be vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. To really get how beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Mask on or mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill, destroying things I feel. Emotion knows the drill. I fake it 'cause it's real, that everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Lah, narinig niyo yun? Ang taas nun. Hindi ko lang sure if yung Jolin yung nag-hit nun or yung Baby Stell na. Baby Stell, wait. Ibalik lang natin. Pakinggan yung mabuti. May high note dun. Promise. Stop. Pagkatapos ng mapagpigil hiningang taas boses, dance break agad. Oh, wait lang, kalma. Kalmahin mo. Okay, ihanda ang sarili. Start. Hindi talaga kaya Still pa naman yung nasa unahan, no? Ayaw kapigil. Game na, game. Emoji by SB19 in collaboration of Charlie. So, ang ganda guys ng music video, promise. So, kung gusto niyo siyang mapanood ng buo, is i-search nyo lang yung SB19 para mapanood yung bago nilang music video, which is Emoji. So, sa akin is ika-crop ko lang kasi baka maka-copyright tayo. Tapos, yung ang ganda ng pinapahiwatig yung music video nila. Kasi, yung sabi ng Emoji, you know the drill. Tell me what. Basta nakalimutan ko, pero yun yung naano ko talaga, yung catching talaga doon is Emoji, you know the drill. Mask of sabi nun. Tapos yun, totoo naman talaga na para makibagay tayo sa ibang tao. So, sumusuot tayo ng ibang emoji para makisuot in doon na hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung totoong tayo. So, maganda yung pinapahiwatig ng bagong music video ng SB19. Hindi nyo talaga kami dinidisappoint ng SB19. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko about sa music video nila. Maganda yung pagpahiwatig ng music video. Tapos, ako pa po hindi ko talaga kaya. So, yun lang. So, comment down below kung gusto nyo mag-react ako sa mga music video ng Jolly na yun. Tapos, mag-suggest kayo kung ano yung magandang music video niya. So, yun lang.